Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to be unpackaging something of incredible beauty. I cannot wait to share this with you. I have not gotten into this yet. I just got into the box to make sure that I was very careful getting this out of the box. But yeah, we're all going to share this moment together. Thank you so much to Sierra_Vound on Instagram for sending this in. Please give him a follow. His collection is incredible, and it's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and get in here. So this is a knife that a version of I have shown on the channel before, but this is just something spectacular. And I like to show knives like this every now and then. Stuff that I will never acquire, and the vast majority of people will never acquire. And no, Scott did not give this to me. He loaned it for content. Oh boy, here we go. I know. I know it's Scott, so it's going to be crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh man, look at that zirconium bolster with it looks like black Damascus. My God. Oh, the pocket clip. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, that action. We've got a liner. I know these videos always, they tend to periodically attract, for whatever reason, the YouTube algorithm will throw this video out to people who had no interest in knives. And, if you're one of those people who stumbled across this and they're like, what's wrong with this guy? It's just a knife. Take some time to explore my other content and the massive number of other channels that enjoy the same type of stuff as me. Yeah, it's a knife. You got that part right. But it's certainly quite different than... and that's a totally reasonable question, too. Like, why is he freaking out if it's just a knife? Yeah, totally reasonable. If you're new to the knife world, yeah, that's how we all enter it. That's how it starts. It's a slippery slope. My goodness. So what is this? Make sure and get this exactly right. This is a collaboration between Andre Thorburn and Andre van Heerden. So this is an A2 Knives A6 Premium. Wow. Look how dark the etch is. Like we have the polished part of the, what I assume is Damascus steel. And then we have this super dark area on the etch. Oh my gosh. The contrast is just ridiculous. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful action. Now, I thought that it needed assistance maybe. No. The action is... Oh man, that's the problem. Here's the thing about polished zirconium. It will pick up fingerprints, right? So we have a Damascus pivot collar. Black Damascus scales, titanium liners, Damascus backspacer, then another zirconium bolster on this side, another pivot collar made of Damascus, and a zirconium pocket clip. Oh my gosh, that is just stunning. I love liner locks on some of these more premium. I prefer that so much more than an exposed titanium frame lock. And yeah, that is just done beautifully. I have handled at least one other Andre Thorburn on this channel, and it was perfect. So it does not surprise me that this also feels absolutely perfect. Yeah. I know you guys want to know what's the price. It's expensive. It's like if you're thinking of a number in your head, a lot of you are probably accurate. I know that doesn't help, guys, but this is an expensive knife. This is and I include myself in this. This is an out of reach for most of us kind of knife. I'm lucky enough to show it, but this is not my this isn't my budget zone right? So I'm happy to be able to handle it. It's very cool. For those of you expecting a full review, I don't do that on unboxings. You will get a full comprehensive video of this knife. It won't really be a review because this is a custom knife. It's going to be more of a show and tell and presentation. I'll gather some information on the knife and talk about all the details, right? That'll be a few weeks down the road. But as for today, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Thank you so much, Scott. Sierra_bound on Instagram for saying this in. Wow, that is just beautiful. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.